Today is the beginning of the transformation of this site from what is a parking lot next to the WMATA metro station to what's going to be one of the premier transit-oriented development communities in the Washington, D.C. region.
Today we have Bell Flowers and Galley Foods and a number of bakeries. Really excited. Jars by Danny. Different folks that are going to circulate and change over the next few weeks as we see what the neighbors really want. Every good idea starts with somebody saying something, and Matt Harris in our office said, hey, let's see if we can get a subway car to use as retail kiosks. And that little idea, that kernel of an idea, turned into so much effort you can't imagine. We had to import a sculptor, metal worker, Robert Mojo, who came in from Long Island with his crew, and they worked for a number of weeks cutting these cars.
When we first seen the car roll into the yard on this massive trailer, just looking at this thing and the sheer size of it, 75 feet long, tons and tons of steel and aluminum, my first thought is, wow, this is a big undertaking. And immediately we got this thing blocked up, started marking up for the cuts, and went at it. We just confirmed that everybody was happy with how we were going to slice this thing up like a loaf of bread. And so we gathered our tools, brought them out, and went right to work, immediately taking all the undercarriage components out, putting them off to the side carefully, because I knew that we were going to recycle and reuse those parts to build more sculpture. So once we were finished on the underneath of the car, we proceeded to go inside the car and remove the inner panels, all the interior from the car, so we could make our cuts to the exterior and interior. So once we made our cuts, we separate the cars into sections. I had one mishap during the project. So when I was cutting the one piece that was external on the car was the step. There was a little metal step, and it was made of steel, and I thought it was aluminum. When we cut this component, it was very heavy. When I cut it loose, it dropped, and it broke my pinky finger, and I still, I fractured it. So my interpretation of how to deal with a fractured finger is duct tape. So here we are with the duct tape.